Hi, and welcome to the Falcons Toolkit, where we want to equip your flight to academic achievement. In this session, I will be highlighting an introduction to Schedule Builder's Build Your Schedule. To start, you will need to log into your Cerritos single sign-on portal. Once logged in, you will see the My Cerritos tile. Then you should see the Schedule Builder tile. Click to open the introductory page. Once the page opens, let's move over to the header to the right, where you will see the fields of Favorite, Tips, and 3 dots. The favorites and tips are covered in another Schedule Builder video. The 3 dots allows you to jump directly to your Student Center. The field under the Schedule Builder header is Term. This example reflects the current and next term, if available, which will be viewable after processes run which make you eligible to enroll. Moving over to the right, filters. These will begin as collapsed when you enter the page. As you add filters, that number will increment. Next to filters is the Import Courses button. The Import feature allows you to bring in courses from these sources: enrollment, planner, shopping cart, and waitlist. Using these features, create the flexibility to create schedules with your current enrollment, what you anticipate from the cart, and/or your waitlist. I'd like to go into further detail on the planner import. When I click on the planner option, it brings in classes directly from my primary degree planner. This is another important reason to meet with your counselor to ensure the classes in your primary planner are the ones that keep you on track toward your degree. Going on, the availability fields, you can indicate start date and/or end date. Using the start date will eliminate classes that start before that date. In this example, 01/12/2026 are where classes that start after that date will be included since they're within the defined date range. They do not affect the subject catalog number filters. This is a very important aspect to remember, as you will see that they become evident on the Select Sections page if classes are not displayed due to the start date criteria. The next field over is the Unavailable Time field. This allows you to include necessary events, needs, or breaks that will be used to create your optimal schedule. The availability filters work with the Build and Selection Sections functionality. You can label the unavailability, such as practice, work, or sleep, and indicate the specific time and days this unavailability occurs. Minimum break time. This is the time that you would need between classes. Class status. The criteria is closed, open, or waitlist, and defaults to open. Instruction mode. This indicates all the variations of modalities that are offered on the campus and will default to blank. In this example, you can see that I chose Administration and Justice, and moving over to the catalog number field, you can see the choices available. Once I've chosen the catalog number, you can see that the course description will also display, and the Add Course button will be open. Click to add the course. So you'll see the chosen course in this section. Coincidentally, if you have imported using enrollment, shopping cart, or waitlist, you will see their respective icons in the status column. Click Select Sections to identify specific sections desired. With classes with multiple sections, click the top checkbox to clear them all, and then click the desired sections. When done, click OK or Cancel to return to the main page. Let me show you another class, English C1000. With this selection, you can also add course attributes. In this case, I'm using instructional material cost, low, and 0 textbooks. In doing so, you'll see the visual icons that show these attributes. I'm going to click on the sections I want, return to the main page, and then click Build Schedule button. This will open up the calendar page. This page and functionalities on it will be covered in the Compare, Favorites, and Registration videos. This ends a demonstration of the Schedule Builder build schedule. Please view the other Schedule Builder videos for more information.